activate and use Nano Banana in VS Code. So as you can see, I have Nano Banana right in my VS Code, and I was able to generate an image. Okay, so I generated a cat riding a motor bicycle in the city, and it was generated for me, and this is the image. Let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. So all that you have to do is simply open Visual Studio Code, that is the VS Code, and then come and then search for CMD. Okay, that's command prompt, and come and then type in Python space dash dash version and then hit enter. Okay, so it's going to show the version of Python that you have installed. If you haven't installed it, nothing will come, and then simply go to Google, then from Google search come and type in Python download and then hit enter. When it can come and select the official site of python.org, and then over here you can come and then download the latest Python, okay, latest version of Python, install it, and then come to VS Code, and you have to create a folder. Okay, so at your desktop, right click on it and then come here to new, then come and select folder, and come and name it anything. So I'm going to name it Nano Banana text. Okay, and then come to VS Code. Okay, and then over here where you have the file, come and click on it, and then come and select open folder, and then we are going to select the folder that we just created. So this one, it's Nano Banana test, and come and click on select folder. So as you can see, it has selected the folder just like this. Okay, so now what we have to do is that we have to open terminal. Okay, so when you look at the top, okay, you see that we have terminal right here. Come and then click on it, and then come and select new terminal, and then from here come and then check from the terminal, come and then check that the Python was correctly installed by simply typing in Python space dash dash version just like this, then you hit enter. Okay, so when you hit it, it is going to display the Python version that you just installed, okay, right here. The next thing is that you have to come and then create your Python virtual environment. To do that, simply come and then type in this Python space dash m vent, okay, the exact same spelling, okay, just like this, and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, it is going to create your Python virtual environment for you, and you have to come and then activate it. Okay, so to activate your Python virtual environment, so that is it, it has been created. To activate your Python virtual environment, simply come and then type in this, okay, that is the vents slash script slash activate, and then hit enter. Okay, and that is it, we have activated our Python virtual environment. Okay, good. And then now this is what you have to do. Okay, what you have to do is that you have to come and then install the Nano Banana. Okay, so this is how you're going to install it. Simply type in pipe install space dash u space Google dash Genia pillow Python dash dot, okay, just like this, and then hit enter. Okay, so when you hit enter, it is going to install it for you. Okay, so as you can see, it is installing it. So what that you have to do is simply pause and then write it and then type it in. So as you can see, it has installed, but there is an update available. Okay, so come and then highlight the prompt just like this, that is the updated prompt, and then come and then paste it right here. Okay, so when you paste it, you'll be able to update it. So after installing it, update it to the latest version. Okay, good. And as you can see, we have successfully installed it, and then that is the latest version so far, and we are still within our Python environment just like this. Okay, good. The next thing that we have to do is simply come to the folder. Okay, come and select the folder, and then come and then click on new file. Okay, and then come and name it as this .n .env just like this. Okay, and then hit enter. So it is going to create the file just like this, and then come and then type in this, that is Gemini API underscore key equals to your real API key. Okay, Gemini underscore API underscore key, which is equal to your real API key. So you have to come and then replace it with your real API key. Let me show you how to get your real API key. Just go to Google and then come and search for Google AI Studio and then hit enter. When it can come and select the Google AI Studio, that is the official site okay, and then make sure that Nano Banana is selected. Okay, so we are going to use Nano Banana's API key. Okay, so simply come here to where it says get API key, come and click on it, and then from here where we have API keys, you can see that we have create API key right here. Come and then click on it. So when you click on it, you can come and then create API key by simply putting the mouse in the search and then come and select Gemini API key and then come and click on create API key. So it will generate the API key just like this. Come and click on copy to copy your API key and then come and then replace the real API key right here. Okay, just paste it right here just like this. Okay, the exact API key and then save it. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then create another file, okay, and then name it just like this. That is image underscore gen.py, okay, just like this, okay, and then hit enter. So the one that we have created, come and then select it and then come and paste in this Python prompt. I have pinned this prompt at the video comment below, okay. I have pinned that comment, okay, so just highlight the whole prompt, come and paste it right here and then save it and then come here to the terminal, okay, and then come and make sure that you activate the Python virtual environment again by typing in this exact same thing to activate it and then hit enter. Okay, so we have now activated the Python virtual environment and then now you can simply come and then type in this. Okay, so just type in that is Python space image underscore gen.py, okay, the one that we created, and it is going to ask you to describe your image. So I'm simply going to say I want an image of a cat riding a motorbike in the city. Okay, then I hit enter and that is it. So as you can see, it has created the image for me and then it has generated it in a PNG, okay, and it has saved it in the folder that we created. Okay, good. So all that you have to do is simply come and then open the folder by right clicking on it and then come here to open, okay, and as you can see within it we have the image. Just this is the image. All that you have to do is just you right click on it, you come here to open, and that is it. You have generated your image in VS Code. Like the video and then see you in my next video.